Hello, my name's Gregory Rosevik, and I had my kitchen remodeled by Aram Remodeling. I found them on Yelp. They had very good reviews, so I called them, and Shay came out within, I'd say, a couple days of contacting him. We discussed different options. He gave me a bunch of different options, and we chose this one, my wife and I. And we're very happy. It's very beautiful, as you can see. We're very happy. They did a complete cabinet and counter remodel, installed new appliances. The floor is the same as it was before. We didn't have to change that, but they repainted. They did the lights. He had great ideas, and a lot of good suggestions about how we could do things my wife and I didn't really consider before wanting this remodel. We're very, very satisfied with how it turned out. Very beautiful, very functional, and our experience was really good with the contractor, with Shay himself, and his worker Leo. Leo was very good, and he went beyond what we expected. We had a couple little additions that we wanted to do as far as electrical outlets and stuff. No problem, no extra charge. They were happy to do it. They kept the area pretty clean. They're very professional, and I would recommend them to anyone who is watching this video. Thank you very much.